Hi! Did you know how to uninstall unused program from your laptop? Uninstalling unused software on your laptop is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide for Windows. On Windows, open the Control Panel. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Windows search bar or accessing it through the Start menu. Navigate to Programs or Programs and Features. In the Control Panel, you should see an option for Uninstall a program or Programs and Features. Click on it. View Installed Programs. You'll see a list of all the installed software on your laptop. Select the software to uninstall. Scroll through the list and find the software you want to uninstall. Click on it to select it. Uninstall the software. Click the Uninstall button at the top of the list. You may also right-click on the selected software and choose Uninstall. Follow the uninstallation wizard. A wizard will guide you through the uninstallation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your choice and, in some cases, provide additional details. Complete the uninstallation. Once the software is uninstalled, you'll receive a confirmation. Close the window and the software will be removed from your laptop. If you helped by this video, please follow and subscribe for more videos like this.